Got the GE French door refrigerator and got a problem with the door alarm going off and the light not working, the water not working. So gonna do a little troubleshooting on the switch here. There are two door switches in here, one on the top right, one on the top left. This one I tested and it seems to be working pretty well right away. Sometimes the switch works, sometimes it doesn't. And until I get a new switch, I'm just going to put a piece of tape over this. Keep it closed so we can turn that alarm off and still use our water. Okay, so we got the part in, and there's the part number. I will list that in the description, but we are ready to go on the swap out. Okay, to access the switches, there are 5 screws. There, you can get them with a 1/4 inch socket. There's one here, 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 and here. So 2 on the right, 2 in the middle. I've removed those and we'll take off the cover here. Take off the right side first here. And then we'll see where that lifts the entire section up with the switches, and if you look underneath, there they are. So we're just gonna switch out that switch. Okay, so before we do anything here, we unplugged the power, and to remove the switch, if you just push the button in, it will release that. You can pull it right out. We'll just remove these wires and put the new one on. And after removing this, you can see that the switch seems to work most of the time, and sometimes it activates early, and other times it won't activate until it gets pushed all the way down. So that's what's causing the problem. So here's the new one, and it engages almost immediately. Okay, so we got our new switch hooked up. Just slide that back in. And we're ready to reassemble. This goes just under that tab. Push it back on. So this side, slide it under the tab. Click it back on, and we'll put our screws back in. And we'll plug back in and we'll be ready to test. We're plugged back in and our switch is good to go. Door alarm's off, dispenser works. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching.